Friends, welcome to Excel Adventures. So today I'm going to share with you a two-in-one VLOOKUP. Yeah, when we are using VLOOKUP to get data from another sheet or another Excel workbook. So we are using normal VLOOKUP and we will try to get the data. But what is the disadvantage of using a normal VLOOKUP and how we can overcome from that error or a mistake, right? So that I will show you here today. So don't waste your time. So just begin our video now. So yeah, usually what we will do to get a data from another sheet or another workbook. So here the data is there. Normally we will put a normal VLOOKUP, that is like VLOOKUP. For a lookup value, taking the lookup value. So we can lock this only the if you put a dollar symbol in the beginning of that alphabet, that means we are locking the column, right? And then the table array, we are taking that data from this to here. So we will lock this entire table, comma, and in normal VLOOKUP what we will do, we will mention the column number. Like for example, it's subject to, it is a 1 2 second column, so we will put a 2 and comma and exact match, close the bracket and enter. So it will give a result for this. So it will useful when we are finding for a particular column. But if we use that same formula to use for every other to get other column data, then it will not give, because if you see, it is the column number 2, and again if you see here the column number 2, everywhere the column number 2, because we didn't change that automatically, right? So in this case you need to go there in each column and you need to change the column number. Here again we need to change the column number, so then only you will get a answer for this, the different. So this is very hard, right? Because each and every column you need to go and manually change the column number and all. So instead of that, this is the disadvantage of VLOOKUP for getting a required data for a different columns. So in order to avoid this mistake or to get rid of from this problem, what we can do, first type VLOOKUP, select the lookup data. So same way you can lock this by using the dollar symbol in the beginning. And then for a table array, same, we are taking the same table and locking entire table. For locking, press F4. If you function F4 for locking the cell or any data, and comma for in column index number. Usually in normal VLOOKUP we will use you are manually typing the numbers, but here what we will do, instead of typing numbers manually, we will use a match function. So match function, here what we will do, so for column number, each column have it will give a column number for each column. So we want column from subject 1 till this one, right? So we will select this as a lookup value, comma, lookup array, it should start from here to end of the first row, the heading row, and you can lock this. So again what we need to do, in the lookup value, put the dollar symbol in front of that number, not in front of the alphabet, because one number lock means the first row will get locked. So when you drag the formula below, it will not move for below one, so it will take this one as a match. So use the dollar symbol in front of the number, and you are locking the table. Then select exact match, close the bracket, comma, and again we are selecting the exact match, close the bracket, enter. So now what we will do, drag till here, you will get the answer, and drag till here, you will get the answer. So this one we can change to percentage and use this. So now our data is ready, so no need to go and manually change each and every column. So it's automatically picking from first only one column. You can put the formula and drag and drop to anywhere you want to take the data. So hope you will understand that the concept of how the Vlookup and match function will help to get a different column data in one go, right? So this is the advantage of using a match function along with the Vlookup. So like, share and comment, and if you have any doubt on this, so mention in the comment box. I will try to answer for all the questions. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Excel Adventures. So thank you, bye bye.